Mountain passes, rivers wide, every mile's another ride. No destination on my mind, just freedom by my side. Ride with me, come and see Southern Africa running free. Back roads calling, open skies, ride the gravel, ride the rain. Every journey calls again. One more sunrise, one more mile. Let's ride. Welcome to Chris's Motorcycle Rides.
Well, welcome to my channel. A little bit different. You can see I'm not actually out riding at the moment. The plan is to maybe just talk a little bit about my gear and my stuff and how I ride, and I get asked a lot of questions about these things. So I thought what I will do going forward with my channel, in between the rides that I go out and do, I will talk a little bit about what I use, why I use it, and how I use it. So I see a lot of people are using AI nowadays, so this is like a real world video. So there's a variety of things that I sort of leave at home depending on the kind of ride that I'm going to go and do. So the kind of riding that I do is long distance touring, shorter one-nighters, 2 nights, sometimes a little bit of wild camping, sometimes staying in nicer camps where there's electricity and sort of nice facilities and campsites. I will stay at B&Bs, guest houses and lodges, those kind of places. And therefore I won't need to take my tent or sleeping bags with on those rides. So I'm more or less, then I call it a little bit of a civilized or glamping kind of a trip. Those are the kinds of rides I'll do. This is really what I'm going to do here, is just showcase all the stuff on this video, and I'll get into how and why it works for me later. Super duper. And we have a cat here. The cat. Hello, my boy. Yo. Hello, my boy. You come to see what I'm doing, what Dad's doing. Yeah? What Dad's doing. You like to hear, he's so curious. Come to see what Dad's doing. Dad's not going away yet, my boy. He's going away next weekend, not this weekend. Yeah, so I will get into more detail, as I said, about my stuff. And a lot of people ask me questions, so it varies from stoves, puncture kits, tubeless issues, what tires you're riding, what tent you're taking with what sleeping bag. So I think for us older generation guys that have been riding for so many years, I mean, I've been riding since I'm 17 and I do lots of kilos. I've had many motorcycles. So the reality is, we take for granted that we know what, and our experience has taught us all these things, but I just feel to maybe share it with either the newer generation or the younger generation of riders that are coming through now, because motorcycling is good for you and it is good for the soul. But if you like the motorcycle lifestyle, I can show you the stuff that I use on my rides, and that's really the purpose of these videos in between my normal rides, because I'm not going to stop doing those. But I felt when I have downtime or when I have home time, I will spend some time talking about the gear that I use, what to take with on a trip, what I suggest, what works for me. You know, it doesn't necessarily mean it works for everybody, but this is the kind of stuff that works for me on these rides. So, and the things that I've learned over the years. If you like it, and if you can add a comment at the bottom of the video, no problem. I don't get sponsored on any of these things that I have in my arsenal in terms of riding with, and the boots that I ride with, the pump that I use, the stove that I use, the sleeping bag I use. I don't get any sponsorship from whatsoever from those. So you have to just figure it out yourself. Google is your friend. I will just show you the stuff that I use, and you can take it from there. There will be no links below as to which supplier to use and where to get it. You need to go and use a bit of common sense and logic and go to those outdoor shops. If you've come this far and you're watching my channel, you'll see that we do a lot of riding, and common sense should prevail as to where to find the right gear that works for you. I'm going to show you what is lying here in front of my motorcycle, so you're getting a bit of a feel for it. As I said earlier, I will discuss it in detail, how and why I use it. But for now, I'm going to just show you what is in my collection of things that I use when I go on motorcycle trips. Those are crash bar bags. Okay. And then this over here is my ground sheet. I have a ground sheet, and I wrap it in a fisherman's stool so I can use that to sit on. There's my tent. I use a 3-man tent. Spare pair of shoes, because you don't want to walk around in riding boots the whole time. Pillow, self-inflating mattress, sleeping bag, towel, my drone and chargers for my cameras. I have a roll bag at the back of my motorcycle, which I stuff most of the stuff in, my sleeping bags and the stuff I want to keep dry. This is for clothes, this bag over here, and then the other stuff I pack in fairly loosely inside the other pannier. There's winter and summer gloves, so it depends on where I'm going and what the time of the year is. That is a very interesting kit. Inside there is toilet paper and a piece of rope and some pegs where I can hang my clothes on. I'll also get into explaining that in a little bit more detail later. Toolkit, I'll also explain what tools I take with. GPS, first aid kit, water bottles, okay, that I take with. I take this extension for if I'm at a nice camping spot where there's power, and then I can run the cable from where the power spot is into my tent, and I can use it as a charger. Over there is the electronic pump for the tubeless tires. There's the puncture kit. There's the mechanical pump, which can plug into your bike on your battery. Map, as I've told many people on occasion that I'm an old school biker, I use Tracks for Africa. I prefer using a paper map as opposed to looking at things on a screen. And this over here is my food setup. The 2 different stoves. It depends on which mood I'm in or where I'm going camping and what's on my agenda. And these are pots and pans and things to cook my food in, and inside some of them are noodles and whatnot. So, and a small little handmade grill. There's a handlebar bag for little incidentals, cell phones, such forth. Over here is my lighting and lights for inside the tent at night time and charging stuff. Yeah, so I ride with gurney boots and Arrow helmet, BMW suit I've had for years. We can talk about those things later. And my GS 1250, obviously taking me to all these weird and wonderful places. Yeah, so that's overall look into the stuff that I take with on my rides. Some of the comments is, does that all fit on the same motorcycle? Wow, I can't believe it. So I'll do a time lapse and show you how this stuff all comes together inside my motorcycle. And cool, now we're ready to ride. So all packed, all the stuff that you saw lying on the thing is borrowing my one stove. I don't think for the demo of the video I need to put in both the stoves. Thanks for following. If you like this video, you're welcome to add a comment down below. I appreciate the follow or subscribe. And for the old riders out there, I'm sure they might have a few extra things to add to the video, but the stuff that I've showed you, the kit that I have and what works for me, and I've been doing this for years and years. So I hope you enjoyed the video.